How could I create a new source of passive income in just 6 months by starting a new Etsy store that used basic clip art from Canva and sold it on print-on-demand products? Many people told me it's not possible. They said Etsy was too saturated to make money with a new store, so I decided to put it to the test. 4 months ago, I quietly posted a video showing that I had started a brand new store in my spare time. Back then, it was making about $200 a week, but the sales just kept growing. Now it's earning $3,000 to $4,000 a week passively, and the products I sell are honestly super simple. Step 1. Choosing a product to sell. The first step is to choose a popular product to sell. As basic as it sounds, if you want to make money, you have to sell a product that people actually want to buy. Here, how to find one. Visit Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform with tons of blank products you can customize and resell. These include t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more. Browse the bestsellers page. Printify's bestsellers page shows you products that are already in high demand. This is a great way to ensure you're choosing a product that customers are actively buying. Pick a product. T-shirts are the #1 top-selling print-on-demand product of all time, so I'll use them as an example for this tutorial. Once you've chosen your product, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Finding unique product ideas. Now that you've chosen a product, it's time to find a unique idea that will stand out in the market. This is where the cross-idea formula comes in. Here, how it works. Search for inspiration on Etsy. Go to Etsy and search for a generic phrase like funny t-shirts. Etsy's algorithm prioritizes showing you products that customers have bought recently, so you'll see what's trending. Identify popular products. Look for products with simple graphics and high sales. Etsy will often label these as popular or show the number of recent sales. Avoid copying. Many people make the mistake of copying popular designs. This doesn't work because customers will always choose the store with thousands of positive reviews over a new store with no reviews. Combine ideas. Use the cross-idea formula to combine 2 popular niches into something new. For example, I noticed that funny t-shirts and cat-themed products were both popular. By combining these ideas, I created a unique product, a funny cat t-shirt. Step 3. Designing your product. Once you have your idea, it's time to create your design. For this, I use Canva, a drag-and-drop graphic design app. Here, how to do it. Set up your canvas. In Canva, create a canvas the same size as the printing area of your product. For t-shirts, this is typically 4500 x 5400 pixels. Search for clip art. Use Canva's Elements section to find clip art that fits your theme. For example, I searched for cat silhouettes and found plenty of options. Combine visual elements. Legally, you must combine Canva's clip art with at least one other visual element to create a new design. I added text using a trendy font from Canva's library. Use ChatGPT for ideas. To come up with clever text, I asked ChatGPT for funny things cats do. It suggested zoomies, sprinting at 3 a.m., which I turned into a fun design. Save your design. Export your design as a high-quality PNG file with a transparent background. This ensures it's ready for printing. Step 4. Enhancing your design. To make your design look more professional, you can add a distress texture. Here how. Download a texture. Use a free resource like Creative Fabrica to download a distress texture image. Use Photopea. Open your design in Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative. Add the texture as a new layer and apply it to your design. Save the final design. Once you're happy with the look, save the updated design as a PNG file. Step 5. Setting up your Etsy store. Now that your design is ready, it's time to set up your Etsy store. Here, how. Create an Etsy account. Use the link in the video description to open an Etsy store with 40 free item listings. Follow Etsy's step-by-step process to set up your store, including choosing a name and filling out your settings. Create a Printify account. Sign up for a free Printify account and connect it to your Etsy store. This allows you to add products directly to your store. Upload your design. In Printify, select your product, e.g. a t-shirt, and upload your design. Position it on the product and save it. Step 6. Pricing and listing optimization. To maximize your profits, you need to price your products correctly and optimize your listings. Here's how. Use a profit calculator. Tools like Printful's Profit Calculator can help you set a price that ensures a 30% 40% profit margin after Etsy fees. Write a great title and description. Use keywords that customers are likely to search for. For example, funny cat t-shirt, perfect gift for cat lovers. Add high-quality photos. Use Placeat to create professional mock-ups of your product. Great photos are essential for attracting customers. Step 7. Driving sales. To generate sales, you need to get your products in front of customers. Here are 2 strategies. Organic traffic. Optimize your listings with strong keywords and great photos to get Etsy to recommend your products in search results. Etsy ads. Start with a small budget as low as $1 a day and test each product. Keep ads running for products with a high return on investment ROI and turn off ads for those that don't perform well. Final thoughts. By following these steps, I was able to turn a simple idea into a profitable Etsy store that generates $3,000 to $4,000 a week in passive income. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.